hot air balloon held by two boys. A hot air balloon B, secured by two ropes, is directly above the point P on the ground. The ropes are held by two boys on the ground at point Q and point R. Points P, Q and R are in the same horizontal plane. Given, angle of elevation from the point Q to B is y. Angle QPR is equal to 90 degrees minus y, and angle QRP is equal to 2y. The distance between the points Q and R is d meters. To prove, QP is equal to 2d sine y. Length of the rope QB is 2d tan y. If d equals 30 meters, y equals 35 degrees. BR is equal to 38,5 meters. Calculate alpha, the angle between the two ropes. Solution. Approach. We can calculate QP by applying the sine rule in the triangle QPR as two angles and one side are given. Then, the length of the rope QB can be found by applying the cosine ratio in the triangle QPB. In triangle QBR, QR and QB are known, and BR is given in the question. Using the cosine rule, we can calculate alpha, or angle QBR. Now, we start with triangle QPR. Applying the sine rule, we get QP over sine angle QRP equals QR over sine angle QPR. Substituting the measure of sides and angles, we have, rearranging the terms, recall the double angle identity for sine. Applying this identity for sine 2y, QP equals d times 2 sine y cos y over cos y, since sine 90 degrees minus y equals cos y. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by cos y, we get QP equals 2d sine y. Now, let us consider triangle QPB. Applying the cosine ratio, cos y equals QP over QB. Rearranging the terms. Now, substituting the value of QP from equation 1. QB equals 2d sine y over cos y. Therefore, QB is equal to 2d tan y. Now, we apply the cosine rule in triangle QBR to determine alpha. QR square equals QB square plus BR square minus 2 times QB times BR times cos angle QBR. Substituting the values, we are given that D equals 30 meters, Y equals 35 degrees, BR equals 38,5 meters. Substituting the values, we get simplifying, rearranging the terms, cos alpha equals 0,7256, or alpha equals 43,48 degrees.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.